very fresh idea, very interesting, good performances, excellent performances, and wish best for all the cast and the director. And कुछ fresh faces हैं जो कि बहुत ही खूबसूरत हैं.
अक्षरा का पहला फिल्म है.
बहुत अच्छी, बहुत fresh है वो, बहुत fresh है, बहुत organic है, natural है और बहुत honest.
It's very overwhelming. I'm very happy. I couldn't have asked for the response. Now I'm just waiting for tomorrow morning.
Okay. Any compliments that you got?
Well, it's all been really very overwhelming, and they're all saying very nice things. I'm very happy, and I'm very glad. I'm very proud. I'm part of this supreme film.
And any good words from Abhishek, Aishwarya?
They said nice things. I really don't want to say what they said. I don't want to look.
Okay, so can we soon expect a party?
Yeah, sure. Maybe.
I've seen it before. We're very proud of the film. And tomorrow you all will see it, you all decide. I hope you like it.
We all are really proud of this film, and you all will see it and know precisely why. It's just superlative performance.
जाके फिल्म देखें हम और क्या कहते हैं. बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों का, बहुत